stars up in the clouds are jealous, no we got.
Happy 80th birthday, Pa! 8 wonderful decades of a life lived with purpose and love is no easy accomplishment. You've always been my greatest supporter, and in that I am very thankful, and I, of course, remain your biggest fan. Every achievement I've made, every goal I have attained is a testament to you being a great father and a wonderful parent. It pains us not to be there today to celebrate your milestone with you, but we take comfort in knowing that you're surrounded by family and friends. We love you, and cheers to your good health.
Happy 80th birthday po, Papa. May this milestone year give you excellent health, endless happiness, and good memories. Cheers to you, Papa.
Hi, Boo. Happy 80th birthday. I'm very excited for your birthday tomorrow. Thank you for being a great grandpa to me and Dudung Dylan, and making sure we have a lovely day. And how are we going? How are we feeling? Thank you for taking care of us with Aya. Thank you for loving us so much. You mean so much to me, and thank you for being an absolute grandpa. Love you. Happy birthday, Lolo. Have a good day. Open your presents.
Happy 80th birthday, Uncle. Wishing you a lot of healthy years ahead of you, and
hopefully you can visit us here in Australia para maka-spend time ka sa imong mga apo and mga laag ta.
yes,
Yeah.
champion.
Champion, Uncle. Champion.
Hey Manoy, happy birthday. We wish you the best for you and your family, and God bless you all, always.
My dearest brother, it's your 8th decade. Enjoy. Happy birthday.
Manoy Jun, from the engine room to the boardroom, your hard work and dedication have always inspired everybody. Wishing you a continuing success and always stay strong and healthy. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday to my amazing brother.
To the best uncle in the universe, happy 80th birthday. We have more birthdays to come. Stay healthy. When precision matters, expertise makes a difference. May we have more compass moments and marble together. Once again, Papa Tio, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Papa Tio! Thank you for always being thoughtful and loving. You are truly a blessing to many.
And may this milestone bring you good health and happiness.
Happy 80th birthday! We love you!
Hi, Uncle Jun. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Thank you so much for all the things you've done for us, Uncle. We want to say good health always, and God bless you. And surprise!
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Say happy birthday!
Go.
Happy
Day.
80!
Cool, happy birthday! Ang pinaka-idol kayo sa Amlo Bros, Marine. More birthdays to come and good luck. God bless.
Cool, happy birthday! Happy birthday to the best Uncle Jungang sa Anglo Bros company. Happy 80th birthday. Wish you good health, good luck, and more blessings. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Randolay. Ole, ole. Happy holiday. Happy birthday. I love you, ko.
Hi Uncle Jun, happy 80th birthday. God bless you always, and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Senyor John Gamalier. Nagpasalamat tagdako sa kahitasan nga karong adlaw nagsaulog ka sa imong adlaw na tawhan ika 80 anyos. Para nako ikaw niyor ang pinaka swerte o pinaka successful na tao dinhi sa kalibutan. Particularly sa nagpuyog bata sa Fresh Maritime, ikaw gyud ang akong mentor, ikaw gyud akong idol nga imo kong gitrain itudloan sa tanan sa pag-train sa mga seafarers. So ug karon ania kung dili tungod nimo niyo na wala ko diri sa amlo karon.
Go! Hello, Papa June! Happy birthday and happy Father's Day! Thank you for the sacrifices na imong gihatag sa AMLO Bros, not just the Marine Inc. but also sa Training and Education Corp. You can't spell AMLO without Antonio! Bye! Love you!
Hi, Sir June. Happy birthday and advance happy Father's Day. Thank you for being kind and generous during my internship up until today that I am one of the APTEC employees. Aside from that, thank you for being the father figure, one of the father figure here in APTEC, and for being so very, very taas of pasensya. Know that Miss Cami, or what do you call me? Love you so much. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Papa June, and advance happy Father's Day. So, thank you kayo na naaka diri sa thankful kay ni naaka sa APTEC. Kay without you, wala po ng APTEC. Thank you sa imong kamaayo sa amo, a father like sa APTEC team. And we are so grateful jud na naaka diri and sa imong kakugihan. Padayon sa imong kamaayo, Papa June, and more birthdays to come and enjoy.
Hi Sir June! Una sa tanan, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Salamat sa Diyos kay tungod niya nag-abot ta diri sa maritime industry. Na-appreciate jud nako tanan ang imuhang mga advices, mga mentorship nga binugoy style.
Hi, Sir June! I want to say na happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Sir June!
Happy birthday, Sir June. More birthdays to come and good health. Padayon sa imong kamayo nga tao. More marupol to come and kumpas.
Happy birthday, Sir June!
Hello, Sir June. Good afternoon. Thank you guys sa opportunity ngayong gahatag kay nakatrabaho ko diri. I'm very excited for the opportunity to grow and I'm looking forward for the future to kanang makahibaw na ko sa mga pamaagi diri and hoping for your guidance. And once again, happy birthday. Wishing you the best.
June, happy birthday! Unta, Sir John, tagaan ka pa sa maayo nga panglawas o tagaan pa untay ka sa taas ng kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Unta, Sir John, magpabiling ka maayo sa among tanan diri sa APTEC, sa ABMI, sa tanan-tanan diri. Salamat, Sir John, sa pagpangga kanamo o sa tanan nga mga employees diri sa AMLO. Salamat kayo, Sir John. Unta, magpabiling kang himsog. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Sir June! More birthdays to come. Unta, daghan pang project nga maabot na to diri sa ABMI nga kauban ka. O salamat sa imong pagkamaayong tao. O salamat sa pagpangga na mong isip. Usa sa imong mga...
We love you, Sir June!
Happy birthday, Sir June! You're now 80 and still thriving. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday, Sir June! Keep grinding. Wish you all the best, good health, more blessings. We love you.